Hello, good afternoon class. Good afternoon Ma'am Camacho. So, how are you class? How's your feelings today or this afternoon? How's your beauty? Still guwapa and handsome pa ba ang tanan? Okay class, so who among you here who wants to describe about the people who live in Africa? Yes, Mortales. Mga black people. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. So the people in Africa or the people who live in Africa is the black people, like the Negro Negrita. Okay, so what do you think our topic today or this afternoon? Blackness people? Pwede. Okay, so for this afternoon class, we will tackle what is negritude. So what is negritude, Fernand? The Negro and Negra? Yes, it is. Very good. So, because negritude literally means blackness. So, ang negritude ay is the blackness or the people blackness. So, this topic talks about the people of Africa. So, unsa man jud ang main point or pasabot jud aning negritude? Abinido. Literary. Yes, pwede. Very good. Literary. Negritude is a literary movement of Africa nga ilahang gihimo because naani sila'y desire or goals nga dapat nilang kuhaon. So, why did they create this movement? Sa mani? Nganong gi-create man nila nga movement? Tungod kay gusto sila mo express sa ilang confidence. So this literary movement against of French colonial rule and policy. Okay. So before, under ang mga black people than white. Under sila sa mga white people. So now, ang gihatagan og kanang power or position or quality ang mga white ra good, mga white ra. So sa una, ang mga black people is gi-separate dito siya. Kay para sa mga puti, ang mga black kuno mga low quality, and then dili sila karapat dapat nga hatagan og power kay tungod lagi sa ilahang kuan, sa ilang lahi, sa ilang races, culture and tradition, so which undergoes discriminate on from white people. Then the question is, what is the purpose of this literary movement? Blanco. To boost their confidence and express themselves. Yes, Blanco. Yes, very good. So, confidence and express themselves. So, ang ilang purpose ani is to promote their races, traditions, and culture. So, ngano kunong nabuhat ni nila ang literary movement nga negritude? To promote their traditions and culture. Okay, so its leading figure was Leopold Sédar Senghor, the first president of the Republic of the Senegal in 1960, who along with Aimé Césaire from Martinique and Leo Damas from French Guiana, the founders. So kinsa kuno ang mga leader ani, mga founders aning negritude literary movement? Isa man? Si Leopold Sédar Senghor and si Aimé Césaire and Damas from French Guiana. Timan iha, mag-quiz ko niya. So kini sila tulo mauni ang mga leader ani nga movement. So they began to examine Western values critically and to resist African culture. The movement largely faded in the early 1960s when its political and the cultural objectives had been achieved in most African countries. So, na-achieve nila ang ilang goal. So, mao na karon nga naanay racist equality mo nang naman na sa ethnic no sa ethics. So pareha ang gender equality. So nawala ra pod ni nga movement kay na success Manila ang ilang desire or goal nga to promote their tradition and cultures under races nga bisag black sila hatagan sila og equality nga treatment sa mga tao nga namuyo diri sa kalibutan. So they have the basic ideas behind negritude includes the four. So naa sila'y upat ka concept nila sa ilang literary movement. So unsa man ni silang upat ka buok nga concepts. So mao ni siya ang number 1. Africans must look to their own cultural heritage to determine the values and traditions that are most useful in the modern world. So, ang taga-Africans kuno is must look to their own cultural. So, ilang siguruhon ang ilang culture nga maogi ilahang i-practice, maogi ilang sundon ug hatagag kanang halaga or value ang ilang traditions hantod nga kanang moabot or may mo evolved man galing sila. So ilang culture and traditions ilahag yung ampingan og ipasigarbo hantod sa modern world. So number 2, committed writers should use African subject matter and poetic traditions and should excite the desire of political freedom. Okay, so ang ila ko nung mga writers ani must have a content nga about sa ilang culture, traditions, and then their races, and to especially sa mga political hatagan sila og freedom. So sa political freedom pod. So ang mga writers unsa gali ilang ipangsuwat sa ilang mga writings, so about sa African subject matter. So ilang mga poetic ang sulod ato is the traditions and cultural sa ilang country ay. Okay, so number 3, negritude itself encompasses the whole of African cultural, economic, social, and political values. So ang negritude kuno is in sa whole African kuno ilahang culture o economic, social, and political values is maogi ilang hawiran, mogi ilang i-hold ug hatagan og value bisan asa sila mo, bisan unsay ilang buhaton or asa man sila. So ang negritude kuno in the whole of African ang ilang culture, economic, mogi ilang hatagan og values, halaga. So number 4, the last. So the value and dignity of African traditions and peoples must be asserted. So ang value, ang ilang kahalagahan ug ilang dignity sa taga-African nga traditions mao jay kanang mobay i-force mugi ipataas, ipasigarbo nila ang ilang dignity as a negritude or as a Africans people. So maura to sila tanan. So any questions, clarifications? Wala. So not so far. So nasabtan ra no. So okay, get 1/4 sheet of paper. We will have a short quiz sheet of paper. Okay, so ready na. So number 1, what is okay, wala pa. Okay, so I will read the question twice only, so you need to be listen carefully. So number 1, what is the literary movement of French-speaking African? unsa man to nga movement? Unsa man to nga literary movement? Number 4. Ay 4 na ba? Sorry. Number 2. Negritude, which means literary. So, negritude, which means literally. Okay, number 3. Who is the first president in the Republic of Senegal in 1960? Who is the first president in the Republic of Senegal in 1960? Number 4. Who are the two persons founded the Negritude movement? Who is the two person founded the Negritude movement? Last number 5. How many concepts those have behind the Negritude? So how many concepts those have behind the Negritude? Okay, pass your paper. 1, 2. Okay, that will be all. Thank you so much na class. See you next meeting.